Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Formuler Z11 Pro Max, a device that's generating a lot of buzz in the streaming world. This isn't just another Android box, it's packing some serious power under the hood. First impressions are important, and the Z11 Pro Max doesn't disappoint. The design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into any entertainment setup. But it's what's inside that truly counts. We're talking Android 11, which means a smooth, responsive, and up-to-date user experience. Navigating menus, launching apps, and streaming content feels incredibly fluid. The Z11 Pro Max boasts 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM. That's ample space for your favorite apps, games, and downloaded content. The generous RAM ensures that multitasking is a breeze, so you can switch between apps without any lag or stuttering. Connectivity is key in today's world, and the Z11 Pro Max has you covered. It features wireless AX 2x2, offering lightning-fast Wi-Fi speeds. Say goodbye to buffering and hello to seamless 4K streaming. For those who prefer a wired connection, the gigabit LAN port provides a rock-solid, ultra-fast network connection. Speaking of 4K, the Z11 Pro Max delivers stunning picture quality. Colors are vibrant, details are crisp, and the overall viewing experience is immersive. Whether you're watching movies, TV shows, or sports, you'll be blown away by the clarity and realism. The Z11 Pro Max also supports popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. You can access your favorite content with ease and enjoy it in glorious 4K resolution. The included app control feature allows you to navigate the interface and control playback using your smartphone or tablet. This adds a layer of convenience and flexibility to the user experience. Formuler has a reputation for building high-quality, reliable devices, and the Z11 Pro Max is no exception. It's a well-engineered piece of hardware that's built to last. The performance is top-notch, the features are comprehensive, and the overall user experience is exceptional. The Formuler Z11 Pro Max is a powerhouse of a streaming device. It's fast, responsive, and packed with features. If you're looking for the best possible 4K streaming experience, the Z11 Pro Max is definitely worth considering. It's a top contender in the Android box market, and it's sure to impress even the most demanding users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.